How to build Monday.com on Airtable? You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Airtable workspace and create a new base. This will act as your project management space, similar to Monday.com. 2. In Airtable, create tables for tasks, projects, or anything you need. Each table will store different types of data, like task deadlines or project owners. 3. Click on Add Field in Airtable to match the columns you used in Monday.com, such as status, priority, or assigned team members. 4. Go to Monday.com and export your data as a CSV file. This will allow you to transfer existing projects into Airtable easily. 5. In Airtable, click on Import Data and select the CSV file from Monday.com. This will populate your table with all the necessary details. 6. Use Airtable's automation features to set up workflow triggers, similar to Monday.com's automation, to keep everything running smoothly. 7. Share your Airtable base with your team by clicking the Share button and granting the appropriate permissions.